Let's take a look at your MT2 LT1 assignment. Let's review that together. Don't forget your name. I didn't number it this time, although it is question number 1. On number 2, look at the pattern of when you multiply odd and even numbers. So if we take 3 times 5, we get 15. In other words, an odd times an odd equals an odd. We got 9 times 9 equals 81. Odd times odd equals odd. That's where we get our first row. If we take a look at the second one, 4 times 7 is 28. That is an even times an odd is an even. And 8 times 5 is 40, so we see an odd times an even is an even. If you want to write that as even times odd equals even, that's fine. And then finally, if you do 6 times 4 equals 24, even times even equals even. On question number 3, there's multiple correct answers here. Make sure you write a convincing argument for why each one doesn't belong. Why doesn't the rectangle belong? Why doesn't the shape in quadrant 1 belong? Why is the shape in quadrant 3 different than the other 3? And why is the shape in quadrant 4 different from the other 3? You just write down your reasons. There's multiple correct answers on there. If we take a look at number 4 here, we got Mallory. She's training for a marathon. And the way she trains for the marathon is she goes out and she runs 15 minutes on her first day. And then she runs 19 minutes on her second day, 23 minutes on her third day, and 27 minutes on her fourth day. So the pattern is she's going to be adding 4 minutes every day. And then what's her pattern on the 30th day? Well, we know she runs 15 minutes on the first day. And then she's going to add 4 minutes while from the first day to the 30th day, she's going to add 4 minutes 29 times. So what's that answer? Well, whoops, not equals, plus. So we'd get 100 and, 29 times 2 is 58. And 58 times 2 is 116. So 4 times 29 is 116. 15 plus 116. She'll have run 131 minutes on that day. Make sure you write, since it's an application problem, write it in a complete sentence. If you don't write a complete sentence on the test, it will be incorrect. You'll have to redo that question.